Let me show you the analysis of the non-DSR item which is done by Costimator. And we've already looked at it, but in this video, we'll be looking at not just the analysis of the non-scheduled item, but also the analysis of all the linked DSR items with that non-DSR item. So once you have carried out the analysis and provided the market rates for the linked basic items, this is the screen where you end up, where we have already looked at this analysis of rate. Now I'll go to this next tab, which says analysis of the non-scheduled item. Inside this, you'll not only be able to find the analysis of rate of the non-DSR item, but you'll also be able to find the analysis of rate of all the sub-AR items. These are the items linked with the non-DSR item. So in our non-DSR item, we had added two DSR items, which were 592 and 13.2.1. One of these internally has another DSR item linked with it, which is item 3.4. So on the right side, you can see we get a quick overview of what the whole structure of this non-DSR item is. So we have the non-DSR item itself, and we have all the sub-AR items. So 592 and 13.2.1 are directly linked, and 3.4 is indirectly linked. So if I go to the item of 13.2.1, you can see this item in turn has another sub-AR item of 3.4. So Costimator does all the heavy lifting for you. It is not only finding the DSR items, but it is also finding the internally linked DSR items, and it is recalculating those as well. So we'll start off with the sub-AR items, and then we'll walk back. So the first item in our non-DSR item was 592, and you can see we are getting a rate of 2806. These rates are coming from right here. That is 592. We had provided the basic rates as 123 for everything. So you can see we have 123 for everything. And based upon this, the rates have been calculated as 2806. So these 2806 has been brought back to this item right here. Similar for 13.2.1, if I just head back, you can see 13.2.1 consists of one DSR item internally and other basic items. So all the basic items are 123. This 3.4 has to be analyzed again with respect to the basic rates. So if I just move up, you can see the 3.4 has been analyzed based upon, again, the basic rates which we had provided as 123 for quick verification. You can see we are getting a value of 5430.45. If I move down, you can see we are getting a value of 5430.45. This is plugged in. The basic rates are plugged in. We get a value of 389.45. This value is plugged back inside our non-scheduled item, which is 389.45. Then again, all the calculations are done. Since 592 and 13.2.1 already consist of the addition of water charges, CPOH, labor cess, and GST, these are to be deducted from the total of W while calculating the water charges, because the water charges has already been added. So Costimator does this also for you. You do not have to lift a finger. All you have to do is provide the basic rates, and everything else is done automatically, and that too in a few seconds. You do not have to worry about any calculation, forgetting anything. Everything is taken care of for you by Costimator. Once you're happy with everything, all you have to do is download this file in Excel. I'll just simply click on download in Excel. So the file has been downloaded successfully. I'll just quickly open it. So this is our Excel file. Again, everything has been properly formatted for you. All the rates are with the custom formatting of the symbol. Again, these are the values. So this only has a formatting attached to it. This is not a text value, so you can directly apply any formula which you want to this. So if I just wanted the double of it, you can see we get a value of this. So these are all values, but formatted in a proper order. Again, we have all the amounts properly bolded. Everything has been provided with a margin. We have the sub-AR item list for the 3.4, 5.9, and 13.2.1. So everything is done for you. All you have to do is take a printout of it or simply submit this Excel file to your seniors or wherever the need be. So that's all about the analysis of rates of the non-DSR item and all the analysis of rates of the related DSR items.